everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I am here with a makeup collection update number. So when I started this, it was in March of 2017. Then I updated you guys in August of 2017. Now it is January of 2018 and I'm going to update you with my numbers again. With the small caveat that I do have 3 orders coming, one from Coastal Scents, one from ColourPop, one from Sephora, and I got an Ulta gift card for Christmas. So these numbers are going to change again, but these numbers are always going to be fluctuating, so I need to just go ahead and commit and film. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm not going to show you everything because like to pull everything out would just be insane to me. I will say that I did add some categories this time around that existed before, but I just hadn't like made smaller categories for. I also will admit that when I originally filmed this back in March of 2017, I was overwhelmed by how much makeup I had, and I just missed makeup. So my numbers in March were not truly accurate, and then when I did them again in August, they got a little bit clearer, but then as I've continued to declutter, I realized like now I think I probably have true numbers, where before things were just getting lost because my collection was so scattered and so all over the place and I just had too much that like even sitting down to count it gave me anxiety. So I feel like I am definitely at a better place now, and these are probably the truest numbers that I have, and we're going to see how much I can get down, you know, throughout the next year just by use, and I'm going to hopefully limit my buying. So first up is primers. In March I had 9. In August, I still had 9, and today I have 6 foundations. In March of 2017, I had 7. In August of 2017, I had 4, and that was just purely from use. I used those up. Now I am down to 2, and they are my Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect foundations in the shades 1 and 5. And I have a feeling I will probably be decluttering those soon. And if I want anything, I will go back to like an IT Cosmetics CC cream or something a lot lighter than those. I'm not reaching for them. Concealers. In March, I had 9. August, I had 6. Now I'm down to 5. I have 1 liquid concealer, which is one that I'm panning. And then I have 4 in pots. So that includes color correctors and just spot concealers, just 4 that are in pots. Then for powders, in March I had 11, and then in August I had 11, and now I have 8, so I am down 3. That does include the 3 that are in this palette, the Hourglass palette, so it does include palettes as well. These are just face powders, so I'm down 3 total. Pressed, I had 4, and then in August I had 6. Now I'm back down to 4, and then I have 4 loose powders. I have a Coty Airspun, a Too Faced Primed and Poreless, a Cosmetics Poreless, a Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. Those are my 4 loose ones. And then for setting sprays, I had 3, then 1, now 1 as well, and it is my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. It's in there. For blushes, I started off in March with 27 blushes. Then I've gone to 19 blushes. Now I'm down to 17, so down another 2, which is crazy because my unhaul that's coming up soon, I decluttered 3. So I don't know how I'm only down 2 because I didn't bring any in. I went from 2 cream blushes down to 1 cream blush. So 2, 2, now 1. The only one that I have left is my Bite Beauty multi-stick. My powder blushes, I went from 25 in March to 17 in August, and now I'm down to 13, so down 4 since the last time I talked about it. And this includes my in palettes. I did not put the ones that were in palettes before, but I have 3 that are in palettes, and that is in my Jaclyn Hill face palette. I have 3 in that one. I just didn't have those added in before, so now I do. Bronzers, I had 15 in March, 13 in August, and now I'm at 14, so I went up 1 because I got like a Smashbox palette. So don't ask. I don't know. So the singles that I have 5 that are in singles, and I have 9 that are in palettes. I had not counted the ones that were like in my NYX palettes. I did this time. So my numbers kind of went back up again because I had forgotten about the ones that were actually in palettes. But now I'm back fully counted. Highlighters. I had 37 in March. I had 29 in August. Now I have 23. I'm getting better, guys. Highlighters are the bane of my existence. I'm down 6. Cream and liquid, I have 6 of them. My powders, I have 8, and my in-palette ones, I have 9. That includes this thing, which has 7 in and of itself, right? Yeah, so 7 in this one and 2 in this. So these you forget about a lot, but I have those. For eyeshadow palettes, I had 22 in March, I had 15 in August, and now I'm down to 10. I'm really decluttering those, guys. Single eyeshadows. I went from 144 to 125, and now I'm down to 92. So I have decluttered 33 since August, and I'm really proud of that. So depotted and packaged, I have 75, down 14. I have cream shadows, I had 19, now I'm down to 13, so I'm down 6. Pigments and loose shadows, I had 17, now I went down to 10. That will go back up because, again, I got hot pots from Coastal Scents and I got singles from ColourPop. Lippies, I had 54 in March, I went down to 39 in August, and now I am down to 41, which is actually up 1. Why? Because I bought a quad of Bite Beauty lipsticks, so I went up a little bit. So actual lipsticks in lipstick bullets, I had 9 and then 4 and then 4 again. Liquid lipsticks, I went from 18 to 20, now back down to 18, so I'm just down 2. And then sample sizes, I had 7 and then 4, and now I'm up to 9. My present from Sephora this year had a mini, and then I had 4 minis in my Bite Beauty little like tin that came this year, so I went up 5. So up 5 in that. Chapsticks, I had 11, then 7, now 8, so I went up 1, and that is from getting one in a Bookish subscription service, actually. Eye primers, I had never put in this before. I have 4. They're all sample sizes, but I do have 4 of those. Eyeliners, I had 26 in March, I had 20 in August, and now I have 10, so I am down 10. I seriously decluttered a lot of those because I realized I just wasn't using them. Sample sizes, I had 7, then 5, and still 5. Full sizes, I had 10, then 8, now 4, down 4. I just got rid of colors I wasn't going to use. And then jumbo pencils, I had 9, and then 7, and now I'm down to 1, so I'm down 6. I got rid of all of my NYX jumbo pencils that I knew I wasn't going to use, and I think some Essence ones that I had, and I only have 1 left, and it's a Tarte one, so that is what that is down to. Mascaras, I had 16, and then in March, down to 6 in August, and now I'm down to 5. Full sizes, I went from 7 to 3, and then now 4, so I went up 1 in that category. Sample sizes, I went from 9 to 3 to 1. Brows, I went from 10 in March to 8 in August to now 5, and so I'm down 3. So my gels went from 4 to 4 to 4. It stayed the same. And for pencils, it went from 6 to 4, now 1. I have 1 pencil. So that is all of my products. So I went from 382 products in March of 2017 down to 291 in August, and now I am down to 240 in January. So I am down 51 products, and that's just a rotating cycle of bringing things in and out. I don't include hair products, I don't include makeup removers, I'm just including like actual beauty products, but this is my collection as it stands right now. I have a whole declutter that I've already filmed that will go up, I believe, Thursday. So if you're probably seeing this on Tuesday, you're going to see that one on Thursday. So I have stuff that's constantly kind of coming in and going out. Got some stuff for Christmas that I had to add into this list. And it's just a process. It's like a continual thing. Things are going to fluctuate up and down as I get different things and use different things. And hopefully I can continue to move things out of my collection. So that has been this particular video. That's all of my numbers right now. So I went up 1 in bronzer and up 1 in lips, which is not horrible. And those are just like my categories all around. For the most part, all of my categories went down, which is what I want to see. So we'll see when the next one rolls around. I have a feeling I'll definitely be up in single shadows because I keep bringing those in, but I'm getting rid of palettes, so that's better. That's good. I'm not doing too bad. That's been this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hi, everybody. It is Julie. Welcome back to Notice.